Have you ever looked at a design and wondered why it looks so professional? The secret isn't always the colors or graphics. It's typography. Today I'll show you 5 typography rules that can instantly make your designs cleaner, more readable, and more professional. Rule number 1. Choose the right font. Your font sets the mood of your design. Serif fonts feel classic and trustworthy. Sans serif fonts look modern and clean. Script fonts add elegance but should be used sparingly. Don't use decorative fonts for long paragraphs. Instead, choose fonts that match the purpose of your design. Rule number 2. Create strong hierarchy. Not all text should look the same. Guide the viewer's eye by making the most important information stand out. Use larger font sizes for headings, medium sizes for subheadings, smaller sizes for body text. Rule number 3. Improve readability with spacing. Good typography isn't only about fonts. Spacing makes a huge difference. Pay attention to line spacing, letter spacing, space between paragraphs. Rule number 4. Align everything properly. Alignment creates order. Whether you're using left alignment, center alignment, or a grid system, keep everything consistent. Rule number 5. Don't use too many fonts. One of the biggest beginner mistakes is using too many fonts. Using 3, 4, or 5 different fonts makes your design look messy. Simple typography almost always looks better than complicated typography. Master these 5 typography rules, and your graphic designs will instantly look more professional and visually appealing. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Adobe Illustrator and graphic design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.